We are trying to find approximately how many more million gallons of milk did the state produce in 2014 than in 2017. So in 2007, it produced 980 million pounds of milk. And in 2014, 2,700,000,000 pounds of milk. So let's change these to both millions because it's that they want it in that form. Approximately how many more million? So 2007, that would be 980 million pounds. And 2014 would be so we want this to be millions, 2700 million pounds. Because what you would do, if you added 6 zeros to this, it would change it to billions. So 270 million pounds. All right, so now what we need to do is find the difference between 2,700 minus 980. But since it says approximately, I'm going to make that 1,000. 980 turn that into 1,000, and that's 1,700 pounds. And then we need to change pounds. Let me see. Yeah. We need to change pounds. That's million pounds, but I'm going to leave millions off, to gallons. And so what we need to do is we need the pounds to cancel out. And they tell me, they gave me a conversion factor. 1 gallon is 8.6 pounds. So now pounds cancel and you're left with gallons. So let's do long division. 1,700 divided by 8.6, but I'm going to call that 9. I don't like to usually round twice in a problem, but I think we'll be okay on this one. Because when I look at my answers, the difference between A and B is 100, and the difference between B and C is 1,500. So we'll be able to figure out which one's the closest. So that goes one time. 1 times 9 is 9, and that's 80. And that'll be 8 times 9 is 72, and that's 188 again. Which it's going to keep on, that 8's going to keep on repeating. But when I look at my answers, it's closest to 200, which is the answer for B.